Dun, 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 dun. It's game time, and we're opening one of these crazy, wacky little boxes. Hit or miss, go big or go home. Either happy or you're crying in the corner, saying, "Why did I buy that? Why did I buy that?" 3 packs, 5 cards per pack. 2 autos, including 1 rookie patch autograph and 1 mem card. This is Limited Football 2018. Oh wow, I don't know if I can get, there we go. Although there's a reflection from the lights. There are the odds. If you can make any sense of that craziness. Alright. We know how it typically goes. If you're lucky, one of the hits will be really good. Oops, sorry about that. It's a big box, surprisingly big box. I think last year's wasn't anywhere near this big. I mean, it's a monster. And there they are. Let's see if I can find the mem card first. Although one's supposed to be an auto patch, so how would you know? They all actually feel on the thick side. Interesting. This one may feel the thinnest, I guess. I don't know. Let's just do it. It's not gonna last very long anyway, so why not just pick whatever. Alright, we're starting off with Ryan Tannehill. That's just what the base card looks like. Matt Breida to 99, so there, I guess this is like a silver parallel. Let's see here. DeAndre Hopkins. Base card. Allen Robinson. These are nice and thick. And then we have a Kerryon Johnson Rookie Phenoms patch, numbered to 50. So if this is just my mem card, and which it has to be because I'm supposed to get 2 autographs, that's a pretty sweet mem card. Look at that patch. I take it. Hope that's a sign of good things to come. Alright, pack number 2. Let's see if I can pick the, yeah. You can just pick the cards off the back. I mean, there's obviously you can pick cards off the back. There are 2 additional base cards on the back, and I just slid them forward. James Conner, Patrick Peterson, Amari Cooper, Dalvin Cook. This is a Ring of Honor Neil Smith. Numbered out of 50. 1988, 1996. Kansas City Chiefs. On card. Vet auto. Numbered out of 50. I don't know what to make of that. Not exactly what I expected, but I like vet autos. So this should be a rookie patch autograph. So this should be it. Let's see who we get. Be good, be good, be good. Alright, Edelman. Oh sweet, Mahomes. Marlon Mack. Powell. Oh wow, bang. Ito Smith to 25. Wah, 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 wah. I don't know. People aren't high on him right now, but we don't know what he's going to do yet. So, but definitely not one of the, you know, top names that you're really hoping for. It is numbered to 25, and it is a nice patch, and it is on card, but it's not one of the big QBs, that's for sure, or a big running back. So definitely I feel like I could have done better, but that's like I said, it's one of how these boxes go. Super nice patch here, but not gonna make up for that being a bust. Alright, that's it for limited football. I have not yet ordered another one. I don't know if I will. There's lots of other good options right now, better options than this, so that might be my one shot at this. We'll see. Let me think about it a little bit. It was pretty rough. Everybody take care. Please like and subscribe. Comment below if you have opened this, and let me know how you've done. Or let me know if you want to see me do it one more time. I don't know. At the price point this at, I'm not sure I could agree. We'll have to see. Maybe. Like I said, I got to think about it. Everybody take care. I'll be back with my next break very soon.